Okay, so welcome to this video, and I can see you're interested in getting access to how to generate a tsunami of hungry buyer traffic by doing nothing more than pressing a button. And also, I'm going to give you a bunch of exclusive bonuses down below this video. You can obviously see here, this is the page, I'm just literally building it out. This is the video you'll be watching. And here are the bonuses you're going to receive if you purchase Stream Live. And I'm going to go through a quick demo of what Stream Live does. This is from a good friend of mine, Jonathan O'Shavir. Amazing software. I'm going to give you a quick run through. Here's all the bonuses. I'm not going to talk you through them. You can see what they are. I've given a huge amount of bonuses here. All you got to do then is when you've purchased, just send me an email at support with your receipt, and I will send you the link to go and grab all your bonuses. So let's have a quick look inside of Stream Live. So this is inside the training. You see Jonathan here. There's so much content here. I've gone through like a third of it, and I've learned so much about live videos, how to do them, where to do them, how to share these videos across different platforms. That's one of the big pluses of Stream Live. This is the sales page you're going to be going to. And this video just explains everything. And as you can see, it's got all the content here. He's done all his due diligence. They've been testing this for about 3 months. We've been looking at it now for the last 2 weeks. There's John and his business partner. So once you've entered your name and email on here, you'll probably see on my page it will just ask for your name and email. I'll send you to go and have a little look at this. And then once you purchase, this is your training. You've got modules 1 through to 5, where they've all got lots of different trainings in here. It's just so much content, so many great things, great ideas, testimonials. There's case studies, what to do, how to do it, what softwares to use. I've gone through probably the first 3 sets of modules, and as I say, that what John and his partner don't know about live videos is not worth knowing. We've got Instagram, we've got Facebook, OBS. I don't know if you used OBS before. I've used it several times. Streaming live to YouTube and Facebook using OBS, and we've got loads of bonuses in here as well, and resources. Module 3, you got the dashboard of Stream Live, how to register, how to create your Facebook application. So he walks you through how to set all of this up so that you can literally just crack on. How to create WhatsApp connection, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, going live on OBS. OBS is really simple. It's a free software you download on your computer, either on your Mac or on your Windows. You can go live on your blog. Like I say, there's too much for me to show you in here. I'm just trying to give you a little bit of an idea of the kind of value that John's given you here. Strategy, templates, the formula, Instagram again, live stream to over 30 platforms. So instead of doing one Facebook Live and then going on to Instagram and doing an Instagram Live, and this software shows you how you can link it all together. How to generate 20,000 followers in 30 days, how to boost and retarget a live video to get best views. It really is a comprehensive amount of training you get for such a minimal cost. And I believe if you're an early adopter, there's like a $22 discount for the first 4 hours. How to use Zoom to go live, Be Live. I've used Be Live, it's great. Periscope, Crowdcast. They really have delved into this, and like I say, Jonathan knows exactly what to do and how to do it. So we've got a load of high converting sales videos. There's a Facebook webinar, Facebook survey, Everlead, FanPage Pro. So these are just resources you can use once you're inside the software. I'm not even going to go through all of those. Now, just to give you a quick look inside of here, once I've logged in. So this is now the software in here. You've got all the tutorials, if I can say it. You've got all the different apps you can plug into. So Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Pinterest. Softwares that take you straight to the OBS download, vMix, XSplit. And then you can build out your campaigns in here as well. So my advice, grab my bonuses. Go ahead, put your name and email in here. I'm going to send you to the page. Go and have a little look. As I said, for the first, it might be for the first 4 hours, you can get this, I believe. I'm going to double check because I've just been talking about an hour ago and I don't want to misquote you. There you go. Yeah, so the first 4 hours, you can buy this software for $22. Now, I think after they've launched, they're going to be doing this for about $150 a month because they know what how it can help people. So you can stream live cloud-based. It's a cloud-based software. Step-by-step video instructions. You've got Facebook Messenger live chat software, easy opt-in pro list building software, 8 pro templates for live streams, profit strategies for streaming and selling on over 35 platforms, income multiplier, case studies to 6,000 views, long-term passive profits. So, my advice, go and grab this now whilst it's at this early adopter discount. And also, I'm going to give you all of these bonuses down here. The Affiliate Marketing Action Plan, the Affiliate Marketing Action Plan Gold Upgrade. This was a $97 value when we were selling it, $127 value. Hashtag Traffic Secrets, $97 value. Internet Business Startup Kit, $67 value. List Building with Stories Upsell, $67 value. Terrific Tube Traffic, $97 value. And a Testimonial Tool, $67 value. Get all of these when you purchase your software for $22. That's a pretty great deal. So have fun with it. Any questions, just drop me an email at support@funnelsqualified.com. Also, once you purchase, just send me your email or a screenshot of the receipt and we'll get them bonuses in your hand ASAP. Have a phenomenal day. Speak soon. Bye for now.